Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. On this channel, I share simple tech tutorials for beginners using Android phone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to turn off background data of any app you choose to. Turning off background data will prevent data running when you are not using the app. Okay, if it's turned on, okay, data will be running even if you're not using the app. Okay, so to prevent data from running while you are not using that app at the time, you are supposed to turn off the background data. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off the background data of a particular app. You can now replicate it to any app you want to turn off the background data. The first thing you're going to do is to locate the settings app on your phone. Then you tap on the settings app. Once it opens, you locate apps and notification. Your own interface might be apps, okay? So tap on apps and notification. Then you choose any app you want to turn off the background data. Take for instance, I want to turn off the background data of this YT Studio app. So tap on it. Then next you locate the data usage section. So you guys can see data usage, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, you're going to see background data. It's already turned on, okay? So for us to turn this off, you're going to tap on it to turn it off. So data can only run if I open the app. But when the background data is turned on, even if you are not using that particular app, the data will be running in the background of the app, okay? Which eventually eats up your data. All right, so that is basically how you can turn off background data of any app you choose to. Just replicate this method I showed you to other apps you feel you want to turn off the background data. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you've learned something today, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.